Alright, so here's a quick overview of the new Southeast Polk theme. First I'll just log in. I'll go to a course where I've set it up. I think I put this one on it. Alright, so here's the new theme. It's called Fordson. It's built by a district in Michigan, and the things they do are, it's custom Moodle work, but it's meant for education. So here's the setup. You've got your header at the top. Instead of having your turn editing on over here, it's now up here. So that doesn't really change anything. It just changes the location of the button. It still has the My Courses link and such. Over on the left, you have this, what they call a hamburger button. Here your navigation bar is in here, so you can navigate your course. You can also navigate back to home and your My Courses. Instead of having the administration bar over on the left, I have this here, but I typically hide it. Instead of having the administration bar over here, now you have something called course management. When you click on this is all of your administration function, and it's available in every screen. So if you go into something, so let's say I go into Unit 2. So here's Unit 2. The buttons are still up here, so you still have your, like I said, you can get that from any screen. Your site admin, if you're a site-wide administrator, you can mess around there. Cleans these up a little bit, your tabs. Now, one of the cool things is it's got new images, so PDFs, links, these are concept checks, just an image it looks like, so it cleans those up a little. The only other thing, so I don't think there's anything else new with the theme itself. The only other thing I was going to show you, and I know I've shown some of you this individually, but the new easy enrollments. So here, if I go into my enrollment methods, I'm going to add an easy enrollment. Now, this is what's important here, or your QR code. So if you click on it, it'll just download a QR code, and you can show it to the kids. But the reason this is interesting, so I'm going to copy this, and just for memory, 3408 is this course number. When you log into the home screen, you have this. The old way of getting someone into your class, at least the first time, then it's under My Courses after they get it the first time. But the old way is go to courses. You type in, I just forgot the number, 340708. Yeah, it's probably 3408. That was the old way to get in. Now, instead of having to go through that, so what you do is you go here, you go 3408, and then you'd have to put in another code like #1, and that would get them into your course and in the correct group. The new way is if you just copy whatever that code was. The only downside is we can't customize this code. There's quite a few groups statewide, but now if they just type in this code right here and click enroll, it will put them in the right class and it'll put them in the right group directly. Also, if you do this, your QR code looks a little ominous. I'm sitting in my kitchen. So now you're going to, let's say the QR code's up on the board somewhere or something. You would just take your computer, walk up to the QR code, and put it in this screen, and it'll put them in the right group and the right right class and the right group. So, two new things. Fordson theme. We changed our theme to Fordson. It's got these tabs down here. The nice part is for a kid, when they log in, any course that they're in is down here. You can customize this header back here. So in my old Earth and Space, I just grabbed a picture of the Milky Way galaxy. So now when they come here, they're going to recognize that. The only thing is when you click on that, that's now your header up top here. It's not the end of the world by any means. It just replaces the Southeast Polk theme, or logo, sorry. So now it still has the same colors as Southeast Polk, but that image is up here. If you have any other questions, let me know. As always, we're trying to help you out. So if there's something that's not working quite right or whatever, let us know. We'll work with you.